Asuntosyköyhtiö Lauttasaari 15. Ruukinlahdentie 2 in Lauttasaari, Helsinki. This is the only letter here. Unfortunately, flooring doesn't work. Or down arrow works at least. In 1958, we Valmet. This is also one of the best welders here in Lauttasaari. But Lauttasaari has the best welders in Finland in the average. 3 per shot 240 kilograms. Ground floor. Fourth floor. It's broken here also. Let's see if it's broken at the fourth floor also. Yeah, no photo. Now we take forwards. Ground floor. Inspected by Kiva, and maintained by Kong. And 50s Valmet are very rare in Finland. And service companies coming. Nobody's coming. Let's hope this is not going to be modernized soon. But at least I got it filmed, and that was from Finland, and Fintrans got it filmed last year. Ground floor. Fourth floor. Ground floor. That is broken also here. Okay. That's